Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the questions for class 10th CBSE and UPBOARD for coming years 2026 to 27. It's very important questions carrying mark 4, and it is the question related to the first chapter related to the angles, so that you should know the relations between the ratio of angles. That formula should be known to you. We have to evaluate the value of this. Sec square 90 minus theta minus cos square theta upon 2 into sin square 25 plus sin square 65 degree minus 2 times sin square 60 into tan square 28 into tan square 62 upon 3 times within bracket sec square 43 minus cot square 47. We know that neither we have known the value of 65, 25, 43, 47 and 28. 62 too. 62 is also not known to us. So that we have to simply use the formulas, the trigonometrical formula. This should be in our mind. Going to have the solution. Let us suppose this portion is A and this portion is B. So first of all we are going to solve A portion. ये क्वेश्चंस जो यूपी बोर्ड वगैरह में आएगा, हिंदी मीडियम वालों के लिए बोल रही हूँ, ये चैप्टर 1 से रिलेटेड जिसमें एंगल से रिलेटेड रिलेशंस होते हैं वो आपको दिमाग में याद होने चाहिए. स्टेप बाय स्टेप हम करेंगे. पहले इस पोर्शन को हमने ए मान लिया, इसको बी मान लिया. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व द पोर्शन ए. आफ्टरवर्ड इट इज टू बी वी विल फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ बी एंड ए इज टू बी सब्ट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम बी एंड आंसर विल बी देयर. वहां पे आंसर आएगा. तो फर्स्ट this is suppose a portion, this is b, so that our equation will be a minus b. Now I am going to solve a. A is equal to sec square 90 minus theta into cot square theta upon 2 times sin square 25 degree plus sin square of 65 degree. Now it is well known to us that there is relation between sec theta and cos theta. Yes, we know it well. That is, and there is also a relation between sec 90 minus theta. We know that sec 90 minus theta, this can be written as cosec theta. Sec 90 minus theta can be written as cosec theta. Here is the square, so that we can say square of the sec 90 minus theta can be written as square of the cosec theta. So that in place of this we can write cosec square theta minus cot square theta upon 2. This is sin 25. Sin 25 can be written as sin square of 90 minus 65, because 90 minus 65 is equal to 25. So in place of 25 we have replaced this 90 minus 65 plus sin 65. We are not going to change it all because this terms become in terms of cos, so that will get cancelled. This is bracket. हाँ, इसको बंद कर दिया. सिर्फ इस वाले पोर्शन को चेंज किया. sin 90 minus 65 लिख दिया. इसकी जगह ये वैसे ही रह दिया, क्योंकि हमें इस करने से ये cos में कन्वर्ट होगा, ये 1 आ जाएगा. अब ये दे ऊपर की तरफ देखिए. You have to see in the numerator cos square theta minus cot square theta. Another formula is known to us, that is 1 plus cot square theta is equal to sec square theta. Oh, sorry, cosec square theta. So that from here, cosec square theta minus cot square theta, this can be written as 1. Cosec square theta minus cot is equal to 1. So that this is nothing. Cosec square theta minus cot, in place of this whole, we can write 1. Numerator become equal to 1 upon 2. Now, another this 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta, as per our formula, this can be written as cos of theta. So square of 90 minus theta can be written as square of the cos theta. Okay, so in place of this we can write cos square theta. It means theta is here 65. Plus sine square 65. We are not going to change this. This is from very beginning is same. शुरू से इसको हमने चेंज नहीं किया, वही रहेगा. अब cos square 65 plus sin square 65 further equal to 1, so that this answer, this portion will be equal to 1 by 2. It means value of this is equal to 1 by 2. A is equal to 1 by 2. Now we are going to find the value of B. Second portion B. How we can solve this? B portion. Second portion B. B was equal to, that is 2 by 3 into cos square 60 into tan of square 28 into tan of square 62 upon 3/10 sec square 43 minus cot square 47. Cos square 60 is well known to us, is equal to 1 by 4 or 1 by 2, because cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. The square of cos 60 will be 1 by 4. This is known to us, so that it is to be, we can substitute the value of this. Okay, this will be 2 by 3 into 1 by 2 square. Okay, the value of cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2 known to us. So square of 60 will be 1 by 2 square into tan 60. Tan square 28. This 28 and 62 is the addition of 90. So that this can be written as, in place of tan 28, we can either write this square of 90 minus 62. Either you can change this or this, can any in between these two, you have to either choose one only thing, either this or that. Either you will change this, then you don't touch this one. If you are going to change this, then please don't touch this one. Into tan of 62. दोनों में से एक की वैल्यू को चेंज करें, दूसरे को 90 में मना कन्वर्ट करें, अदरवाइज कोई फायदा नहीं होगा. ओके, ठीक है. Now 90 square, this is square, upon this sec square 43. So this is the addition of this is also 90. So either one is to be changed, either this or that. We are going to change this. This can be written as sec square of 90 minus 47. Okay, minus cot 47. Square of cot 47 in denominator. This is the denominator. Okay. Now this will get cancelled. This is equal to 1 upon 2, and 1 upon 2 will get multiplied by this is equal to 1 by 6. Okay. Okay. Into this remaining portion. What? Tan square 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta formula is very well known to us. Tan 90 minus theta can be written as cot of theta. So that in place of this, theta is our 62, so that we can write tan of 90 minus 62 can be written as cot of 62 and square of this. It means this becomes cot square 62 into tan 60 square of 62. Okay, upon sec square 90 minus this, for the sec 90 minus theta, we know what? The sec 90 minus theta. This can be written as cosec theta. Here theta is 47. Sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta. It means here we can write cosec of 47, but square is there, so that we can write square of 90 minus theta will be square of cosec theta. it means where theta is equal to 47. So here we can write in denominator cosec square of 47 minus cot square of 47. Okay. Now this is the square of 62 cot. This is the square of 62 tan. They are just reversed so that it will be equal to 1 by 6 into 1 upon this will be 1, and now this is again we are having the same formula here. Cos x 1 plus cos x square theta is equal to 1 plus cos square theta is cos x square theta. It means cos x square theta minus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is again equal to 1. It means this is equal to 1 by 6. Now, it means the value of b portion is 1 by 6. This is equal to 1 by 6. So a minus b will be equal to, our question is a minus b. Hence the value of a minus b will be a minus b की क्या वैल्यू होगी ये निकालिए. A minus b. This is question is a minus b. That is 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 6. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 6. You can simply write it as 6 minus 2 upon 12. This is 4 by 12. This is 1 by 3. Okay. This is answer. Okay. Remember, always remember during solving this question, don't get confused with these formula. We are having 6 formula. This is to be known to us that sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sine theta. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Sec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta. And cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. These are the 6 formula. These to be known to us. And another portion is which is to be used. This is 2 questions. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. And 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. This is to be always in your mind. You can solve any type of the problem if these formulas are known to us. Other than this, always try, if you are going, you have to choose 2 angles for which the addition is 90. Example is 28 plus 62 is 90, 43 and 47 is 90, 25 plus 65 is 90. So if you are going to change one term, then please don't touch the another one. If you are going to change this by 90 minus 25, then you please don't touch this 25. If you are going to change 25 as 90 minus 65, please don't touch the 65. Same here, if you are going to change this 90 minus 47, please don't change this 47 into 90 minus 43. Otherwise it will be useless. Same here, 28. If you are going to change this 28 where 90 minus 62, then don't touch 62. 62 will remain same. And if you are going to change 62, that 90 minus 28 is equal to 62, then please don't touch this one. These are the key points for solving your questions. Okay, remember in your mind, kept in your mind, don't forget it, and don't forget to like and subscribe me. Keep watching my videos. Several playlists are there related to the various topic of 10th class. These are some important questions which I am going to repeat again and again because of you only, because I want to you on the top of the success. Okay, thank you. Good night. Good luck for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe me.